lot of you have seen me post this IROC Camaro. It's just unbelievable. It's not an IROC tribute car, it's an actual IROC car. And as you can tell, AJ Foyt owned it and drove it. But the coolest part about this car, and I don't know if I'm gonna have enough light here, is that James Hunt drove it and crashed it. And here's the proof. So it's kind of hard to see, but this is where it's all put back together. So you can see how it's all like crinkle over here. And you can see up top. When you look inside here, see if we can get a little more brightness going on. The floor is all crinkled and been re-straightened. Can't even tell. That's some good work.